Molly and James have been really sick the past few days. So, grabe, maraming salamat po for giving us more energy. And gusto ko lang po magkwento about sa next song ko. Kasi ito pong susunod na song. I would say that this is one of my favorite songs to perform now. This is very, super tagus po sa puso to para sa akin. Can you request everyone to sit down, please? Thanks, guys. Love you guys. All right. All right. So, I've been receiving a lot of messages regarding sa travel videos na medyo long overdue na hindi ko pa napopost hanggang ngayon, kahit last year pa yun. But, dito po sa susunod na performance ko, yung iba nun, ipapakita ko po sa inyong lahat kasi we know that you're all excited to see it. So, I hope you'll enjoy this. And if you know this song, please sabayan niyo po ako.